Alright, so I don't sew much at all. So that I'm actually sewing this at all is a miracle. But all I'm doing is just putting a running stitch through here. So I can then gather this piece. What this is just an old skirt I got. I don't know if I ever even wore it, or just found it and thought it was pretty, and so I hung on to it, and then, you know, saved it as doll fabric. And so all I'm going to do for this dress really is just take this front panel that's more of an orangish peach color, and then I've got more of the red panel as well, and I'm just going to put the two together, like one in front of the other. This one will be in the front and the rest will wrap around the back. I'm just going to gather and glue. So no real sewing this time on this doll, but I'm going to show you how you can make a quick costume out of something simple like just an old skirt. So there we go. That is all gathered together. Now if I want, I can take a sewing machine and just run across that, or I can just glue it. I'm going to go for gluing. Alright, let's get her facing the right way better here. Okay, so I just have gathered this. You could knot it so it stays, you know, in one piece, but I think what I want to do is actually just start from the middle of it, which I think is going to be about here. And then just use that as my glue point right there. And what I want to do is have this fold down as well. So I'm going to glue it right here on her chest. I'll hold that in place. Okay, I don't think I wanted the stitch line showing. But what I am going to do is just do it about right like that. Boy, Fabri-Tac always gets so dirty so fast. Alright. Alright, about like that it looks like. Let's see. That one needs to turn up a bit. Little bits to tag. Kind of tack that down a little. So it'll be where I want it to. Okay, this side is just a little bit higher on the fabric. Alright, we'll probably put something over that. I haven't decided what yet, and I'll probably end up trimming that side. We'll just have it all be short. Okay, so that's the front of the dress right there. she is. Now the other piece I have is this red, similar material, and what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to wrap it around from, let's see, oh, like that. It's got this nice pattern on it. I will probably put a running stitch in this since it's so long. But I was thinking something like that. I'll get it on here and then show you what I mean. And then wrapping around like that. So you see it can come up this one side, wrap around the back, and then just meet again around the front. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to use some sleeves out of a ruffle and just attach them here using a ruffle that's like this. Alright, just wanted to show you this last little piece. I just cut another shorter piece to kind of cover the back, and then it wraps around the arm like this, and I'll lift up the arm, tuck it under, and glue this all underneath it so it kind of turns into a sleeve. So that's just a very simple way to do a little dress. I only have it going as a panel like this, so I'm going to need to like tack this down, so that's not going to show. But you could go ahead and make a full dress underneath. This is just to do it quick and to show you what you can do with your pretty doll. I think she's turning out so well. I'll show you her all put together in just a moment. Alright, here she is. Her dress on, all of her body together. It's turned out pretty cute. I'll probably do a different dress one day, but this was good for today, and to hurry and cover up her crazy body she had under there. I hope you enjoyed this course. It's been really fun to do. So we finished up the Sculpting a Beautiful Lady online workshop. All the classes are now filmed and they'll be being uploaded tonight and in the morning, and we're ready to go.